Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, scroll down again to access vibration and haptics. Now, by tapping on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics, you can switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust intensity of all of those options, like incoming calls vibration, notification ones, alarm, touch feedback, and even media vibration. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually to switch it on or off. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and tap on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!